Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli here from Santarelli Trading Exchange, BreakingChartAlerts.com, and Stock Options Trading Academy. So first off, guys, last week we entered into some RCL puts, some Disney puts, and those trades are going to be up significantly this morning. RCL is down over $9. It's down 14% here in the pre-market. It's 9:22 a.m. 8 minutes until opening bell. Disney's down about 7%, down to 108.95, and continuing to drop there. Bank of America's down over 13% this morning. Guys, the coronavirus fears are being exasperated here and continuing to climb. Italy just quarantined 15 million people. So I think we're going to continue to see the market sell off, as I've been telling you guys for the past month. I think we're going to see that continue over the course of this week, next week, and over the course of the next few months here, as long as that coronavirus continues to spread throughout the communities and globally. So we're just getting set up now. We're ready for the day here. Our Disney put should do really well. We have our RCL puts, and then we have a small trade on NVIDIA that's down 56% right now. That Disney RCL puts, they should make us double, triple, even quadruple back this week if we continue lower here. So watching Disney's continuing to drop now, going for 107. And we're going to be looking, guys, to make some more swing trades this morning. So we have those big trades. I got about 10,000 in those right now combined, the Disney and RCL. We also have gold, January 15th, 2021, 22 strike calls. I'll be looking to add to those today. Gold's actually down a little bit here, GOLD. Take a look at that again here. Not down too much. 56 cents, 2.64%. I'm going to be looking to add to gold today as well. And RCL here, that's going to be another one I was thinking about adding to. $56 stock. I really think we're going to see that in the 40s, maybe even the 30s. So I think getting some puts for a little further out, even going into Q1 earnings, I think is the greatest thing to do on things like RCL. We're also going to be looking at airline puts. We sold our Delta puts on Friday for a nice gain, or when was it? Wednesday, Thursday, before I left for Pennsylvania. I think we could see Delta at $38 or lower. And we could possibly even get back down to, it's sad to say, but even $30. They were talking about possibly even banning travel, which is insane. On my flight back to Orlando, there's this guy in the front. He was coughing, and one of the ladies shouted out, "Do you really need to do that?" Like, everyone was frustrated and uptight with this coronavirus on the plane. Once we landed in Orlando, everyone on the plane started clapping and screaming, and they're like, "We made it alive." It was insane. But a lot of people, I'd say probably about 30-40% of the people at the airport are wearing masks. The airport's absolutely dead. So the ones that are traveling, some of them are protecting themselves. So many elderly people, though, traveling. I see in wheelchairs. I don't know what the heck they're doing traveling in this virus outbreak. Anyway, guys, let's start sharing the screen here. And please give the video a thumbs up. Share it on social media. Say, hey, we're going live. We're going to be trading. Whatever you guys want to do, share it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's make some money this week, guys. Let me share the screen here. And here we go. And put this on mute for a couple of minutes here. I have Jay with us this morning, so I'll be looking at some swing trades today, guys. Facebook down to 169, down $12, almost 7%. I'm talking to Jay now about, I don't know how much I'm going to be up on the Disney and RCL puts. It's going to be interesting. I think I'm going to be up about $1,000. He's saying much more. We'll see. We have the April monthlies. Wow, do you see that specs taking off? SPEX. Now it's at 450, 475. Alrighty, here's the opening bell. Disney and RCL still not coming up yet. There we go. RCL up 42% on those puts. Told you it wasn't going to be that much. I'm up $3,000 on them. There we go. Disney just popped in. Here we go. Here's our P&L so far today. We are up $3,451 so far with the Disney RCL puts. Let's continue to watch the markets here. Let me pull that up. Let's see Disney today, 1 minute. Disney, we're up 43% on that, up 1,700 overall.
COG, Cabot Oil and Gas halted on a circuit breaker.
All right, I put it in an order for Disney at 11. Let's see if that gets filled. 965 by 11 now. Let me change that. Let me just do it up here quick. Change. There we go. That just sold. We just locked in a $1,144.71 on Disney. Let me see. I got in that specs at $4.47. I got 1,000 shares of it. I'm up $600 on it now.
Schlumberger halted at the lows, 1546, down 35%. That's Sandy Lima Bravo.
Up 700 on that specs. I think I'll take profits on that now.
Mostly energy related. Viper Energy, the NLM halted at the lows, $7.37. FANG, Diamondback.
There we go. Just sold specs. Now we're up $1,874.47 for the day. RCL now up 45%. I'm up $2,400 on that. Let's see. Sell to close. Let's see if I could get 17.
FDA says there are currently no vaccines or drugs approved to treat or prevent COVID-19. Says more than 7 companies selling fraudulent products.
Now she's got an ask of 20.
Spirit share spiking to $5.52, up about 208% now on SPDX. Still getting many circuit breaker halts there at the open. S&P futures down 204. Dow futures down 1,912. Nasdaq down 681 now.
What happened with E-Trade? Did you have a problem with E-Trade? The platform just went dead, guys. The platform's dead.
Market-wide circuit breakers.
Market-wide circuit breakers. Wow. Guys, you guys hear that?
Level 1 reach on many stocks now.
Wow, guys, this is big here. Big. So as of right now, while we're waiting for that circuit breaker, perfect time here. Let's get to E-Trade and to show you guys what exactly we did this morning already. Wow, that's unbelievable. The market was just halted. The market was halted. That's insane. Let's see here.
U.S. markets are halted down 7%.
Wow. Jay, come to E-Trade here. What does that say I'm up for today? What is it? You're live, so tell them what it says. How much?
Does that really say 59,000?
$59,493. I don't think that's right, though. I think E-Trade, I think they have a problem.
Gold is up $12 now at $16.84.30. Crude down $8.81 at $32.43.
So they said we're going to have a 15-minute halt. Wow. This is crazy. We are going to tank this week. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to jump into some puts. I was selling RCL here, and then I saw the ask jump to 20. It was at 17, or it was at 15. I'm like, 20.
Trading halted now for.
We're gonna head much lower this week, much lower. What was going on with Groupon? So I have a Groupon trade going way out, and it's saying I'm up 6,400% on this Groupon trade. What price are you getting on Groupon? It's showing gold. I'm up 254% on it.
Trading should resume at about 9:50 a.m.
GOLD. See, I don't know if E-Trade's being honest with me here, you know? Here's what it's showing me. Groupon is showing me I'm up 6,400%. Gold up 246. RCL up 50%. Jild. You know, E-Trade. I'm guessing it's a problem with their platform and all this, but I wouldn't trust the numbers right now. Stocks to resume at 9:50. We got 11 minutes. That's unbelievable, guys. You have any questions about anything going on right now? Please let me know. I want to cancel this order right now on RCL because we're going to head much lower here. Let me cancel. Cancel order.
UNH, United Health Group, reinforces action taken to provide members and patients with COVID-19 support and resources.
I don't have spreads, M-Trader. It's not the spreads. I have some regular calls on gold and Groupon. The other trades seem to be fine. I mean, RCL has a huge spread, 9 and 20, but I've only seen the market halted, once? In 2008, right? The entire market halted? I can't recall the last time I saw it halted like this. I mean, individual companies, I see it all the time. (9/11), I remember it was halted.
To resume trading in about 8 minutes.
Wow.
U.S. Health Secretary Azar says over 1 million coronavirus tests have been shipped as of Saturday, over 2 million manufactured.
I'm going to see if I could go live on
coronavirus fears, says the administration is working
Facebook here.
aggressively.
Hey guys, we're live on Facebook right now. I just wanted to give you guys on Facebook an update. Wall Street was just halted. Circuit breakers are being hit, and we're going to be resuming trading here at 9:50 a.m. I haven't seen a halt like this in quite a while. Jay, have you?
I remember.
Did you look into that? Did it say when the last one was? I remember 2001, 9/11 when that happened. I remember in 2008 when the financial crisis happened. I mean, the markets are down 7% right now. There's massive panic coming in, guys, with this coronavirus. And I think this is going to continue for a few weeks now, as this virus spreads throughout globally and throughout the communities here. So I would not be going long. I'm getting phone calls left and right from people that are cashing out of their 401ks, and that's what's causing this panic and this sell-off and the huge selling pressure that's coming in right now. I told you guys we closed out about a 50% gain on Disney. RCL, we're still in it and still have a nice gain on that, about $2,700. I'm going to be holding on to that and watching this market continue to drop and profiting from it. So we're going to go. We should resume here in about 7 minutes. We are up significantly for the day already today. We locked in so far just from Disney, and specs we got SPEX, that's a coronavirus play. We are up $1,874.47 realized, and then we're up also unrealized here. We'll be looking to lock in some profits, and they're downgrading the banks now, as you can see on the prompter in the back here. So I'm going to get live back in the trade room. Wall Street is halted, guys. This is the largest sell-off in the history of Wall Street today. So
Toronto Stock Exchange has the biggest decline since December 2008.
Toronto Stock Exchange, biggest decline since September 2008.
8.9%.
8.9%. This is massive, guys, and this selling pressure is going to continue. Alrighty. I'm going to get off Facebook. I'm going back into our live trade room, breakingchartalerts.com, if you guys want to join us. We're also live on YouTube right now. If you search us, Santarelli Trading Exchange, subscribe to our channel. You'll get notified of any updates on there. Alrighty, guys. I'm signing off the Facebook live video right now, and I'm going back into the trade room.
PE, Parsley Energy, says plans to further reduce its activity pace in the near term. Plans to provide additional detail on its formal 2020 guidance ranges when it releases its Q1 2020 financial results or as needed.
Hey guys, welcome back here. Market is tanking. Unbelievable. Dow's at around 23,000 now, 23.9. Might hit 20,000 this week. I was telling Jay, and put this back on while we're waiting here. You guys, they probably want to see this more than they want to see us. But I was telling Jay last week, I said, Jay, I really think we're going to see Dow 20,000 this week or next week. He's like, you really think we're going to have that much of a drop that quick? You remember that conversation? I said, absolutely. Absolutely.
Waiting for resumption in trading.
Waiting for a resumption.
3 minutes.
Oh man, when we can make money like this, when the market's tanking while everyone else is panicking, there's no better feeling. Other than helping you guys do the same
Trading will
thing.
be suspended today if there's a level 3 halt, which is a 20% decline.
Wow, so guys, you just heard it. Trading will be suspended for the day if we get a level 3 circuit breaker, which is a 20% decline.
Fitch says dual impact of COVID-19 and significant oil price shock will put pressure on some sovereign credit fundamentals and potentially ratings.
Let me put RCL on this other screen right here. I'm going to be looking to take profits on that, I think, soon. I mean, that just continues to drop. That's down 16%. I locked in a nice gain on that. Wow, Christian said he's down below margin on E-Trade. Let's see, I'm reading something on. Yak at me said live on Facebook. I went to Big Chart Alerts Facebook page and didn't find where he was live. Well, we're not Big Chart Alerts. We're Breaking Chart Alerts. And I was live on my channel there. I was still live on here on YouTube for you guys. So here we go, guys. Another minute. Resuming trading. Here we go. Let's go back to the today 1 minute. Here's Diamond ETF on the left. And we are continuing that sell-off. 7.53%. Wow. Market's continuing to drop there. RCL, let's see.
S&P futures now down 248. Dow futures down 2225. NASDAQ down 655.
I think RCL is going to have another 10-point drop tomorrow. I want to hold on to it, though, you know. But I think I'm better off just doing an OTM put spread there. There we go. I think I just locked in RCL, guys. Now up $3,869.13 for the day. Let me get on here. E-Trade platform's really slow today. Unbelievably slow. Here we go. Gains and losses. What's today's date? The 9th. This platform's taking forever to load. What platform you use, Allie? How's that for you today? It's not giving you any issues. Here we go. Come on. Alrighty, so here's what we've done today.
VRTX, Vertex confirms supply chain continuity in 2020 business outlook. That's VRTX.
Here's our realized gain today with our Disney puts, our specs, RCL. Watching the market in the back of us here. Nice day already today, guys. Up $3,869.13. Share that in the trade room.
S&P futures getting a bounce up about 55 points off the lows now. Down about 6.3%.
You guys can watch what I'm going to be watching for now. So we're getting a little pop in the market. We closed out our puts, beautiful gains on our puts. What I'm going to be watching now is if we break higher here, we get a 10-20 cross. Not going long, that's for sure. I'm going to wait for the next BDM here and then add again. VRTX, Vertex reports coronavirus outbreak has not impacted company supply chains or 2020 business outlook. There goes RCL again, continuing lower. I'm going to get into some, let's see if we could do another spread on RCL. Maybe for the April monthly expo. I think we're going to see it down at $40, to be honest with you. That's probably what I'm going to do. Still live here in the background, not getting filled on those RCL. Let me see if I just want to go with some regular. Let's see, 50 strike. Let me see when RCL reports earnings here. I'd like to go into their earnings. You know they're going to report a huge loss. March, April 29th. So let's see here. The June 19th would be perfect. 50 strike going for $13. RCL is getting a little pop here. So what I'm going to do now, guys, is I'm going to wait for RCL. If it gets a pop there, if it climbs above $57, $58, then I'm going to enter into this put spread here. Or I might just get those June 19th 50 strike puts going for about 10.10 to 13.35 right now.
At 10, the CB Employment Trends Index for February.
What a nice start to the morning, though. We locked in those puts at perfect timing as well, didn't we, Jay? Thank you. How you doing over there?
Alright. I closed the positions on Friday, so.
Oh, so you weren't in any puts?
Shares of Apple off the lows now, 273.60 up about.
You were still long? Shares of
$12
your
off the lows now.
Bank of
Apple.
America?
Of course. I mean, I've been holding that forever. I sold, like I said, I sold puts on the
Oh,
so-called.
wow. Oh, that RCL just got filled finally there.
I did reduce the position.
Guys, that RCL trade just got filled at $1.40. Let's see what it got filled at, actually. It looks different here. 5.89 minus 4.44. $1.45. I had it in order for $1.40. How did it get filled at $1.45? We're in it. And we're already up about $300. Here's the trade we just made, guys. And I got this trade because I wanted to go into earnings. So here's what we just did, guys. We got the 45 strike put, and we sold the 40 strike put for the April 17th Expo. We'll let that one go. And then what I want to do is, I'm looking at the June 19th going into earnings. I'd like to pick up the 55 or the 50 strike put there. See what happens throughout this day. I'm going to look for an entry on that today as well. Everything's really expensive, guys. I mean, we're having huge swings here in the market. The IV is so high. These option premiums are really expensive.
New York Stock Exchange President Stacey Cunningham tells CNBC market circuit breakers functioning as expected after 7% S&P 500 drop triggers 15-minute trading pause in U.S. stock market.
RCL just continuing lower here. Up about 600 on that put spread we just got. Watching the general markets here. I'm watching the diamond climb. You had that 1020 cross. You could have entered there, but I'm not going to do that just yet with this IV. You know, the best thing you could do is play it safely. I mean, you see we already made a $3,800 profit today within less than a half hour, and we had a 15-minute halt. So in 15 minutes today, we already made a $3,800 profit on the market's decline. And I guarantee you talk to anyone with a 401k, you know, they are suffering today. What are some oil trades you were looking at? Were you looking at any oil trades?
NSC, Norfolk Southern, says it would
Look at RCL drop there. Another huge drop in RCL. RCL's near the day's lows today already.
That's NSC.
Man, I gotta get a coffee in
Letter
me.
J, Jacob selected by U.S. Air Force Research Laboratories, Aerospace Systems Directorate, West for Rocket Propulsion Lab R&D support. That's letter J.
RCL 5291. I want to see that next drop so I can start buying some puts again here. Look at RCL continuing to drop there. Wow. Gold is starting to spike here. GOLD. Put that on quick. I think this is going to be a really great one to enter here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. She's bouncing off that 20 and climbing. We should see that at 22 relatively soon here. Go back to the diamond. RCL, huge drop here, guys. Huge drop. 51.22. It was just at 55 a couple of minutes ago. It's down 22% almost.
Number of confirmed coronavirus cases in the UK rises to 319 from 273, that according to UK Health Ministry.
Alrighty, guys, I just put in an order for the RCL June 19th 45 strike put. 3 contracts for now. Order at, what do I have the order at? 950. Not being filled. Let me see. Let me increase it to 970. Still not even filling at 970. That's still alive. Cancel that. Order canceled.
Advancing a market update, S&P futures, well off the lows now, down 164.50. Dow futures down 1,480. NASDAQ down 400. Crude is down $7.90 at 33.40. Gold is down to $2 now at 1670.40.
We're going to have another nice opportunity. So I'm just waiting for the next opportunity here, guys. Market's getting a nice little climb here. I don't expect that to be long-lived, though. RCL's continuing to break lower. They're getting up to that 10 failing, heading lower. This stock could be down 30-40% today. Let's see what the weeklies are looking like with RCL. March 13th. Oh, that's not bad. The 50 strike. Let's see, March 20th. Oh, that's not bad at all. I'll go with the March 20th. I need to get a few of these. I'll get the 52 strike. Let's see if I can pick that up for about 7. Still not executing. I don't want a $3,500 trade on it. Still not filling, even at 720. There's 740. Just to get in it here quick. There we go, we're in it. There's the trade, guys. RCL March 20th, 2020, 52 strike put. We're in at $7.40 for contracts for about a $2,900 trade, $3,000 trade.
Market continues to rebound after the reopening, after the circuit breaker halt.
Dow's still down 1,400 points. They're like, it's rebounding. Yeah. Sure it is. The best part is, I'm going to wait till the Dow gets to the highs of the day today. And then once I see that, you know, what we're looking for with our trade plan, I'm going to enter just some more puts. Just waiting for that opportunity here. I could day trade, you know, going long right now, getting some calls as we climb, but like I said, I don't expect that to last long. Guys, if you have any questions, ask in the trade room. Let me pull up.
Oil and gas continuing to spike here. $18.73, a 14.5%.
Let's see. Mackenzie Ford, I had huge put profits, but E-Trade won't let me sell, and now I'm way down. Mackenzie, I don't know if you were saying that when the market was halted. Robert Sullivan, I'm not sure what you're talking about here. I was live the entire time right here. RCL's continuing BDM here, up to that 10 and failing. I want to see that break below 50 today. If we could break below 50 on RCL, I think we could definitely see that at 40 by the end of the week. That would give that about 100% gain. Should be about another $3,000 profit. Wouldn't mind that. Let's see, what is Jill doing? Jill's getting a perfect bounce off that 10 as well here. Take a look at Jilliard on the daily chart. Daily chart, it's holding that 10 really well. Today, again, bounced off that 10, starting to climb. We move to the today 1 minute chart. There's that 1020 cross. MACD crossed, continuing to climb there. Now, if that could break that 50 SMA here and start to climb, then I could add to my Gilead trades if I want to. Let's get back to the Diamond ETF here, see what the markets are doing. SMA cluster starting to climb. You need to see it break above 245 for the next move there. All right, RCL, another big breakdown here. We're now up over 7% on our RCL puts, up about 217 bucks. RCL March 20th 52 strike puts up 7.36%, $217.93.
Crude now back above $34.
Crude back above 34. Guys, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it on social media. Subscribe to our channel. Marcus Jimenez says, how much should I start with on day trading? You could have a cash account and $2,000. You could do some nice day trading. But the most important thing is knowing a trade plan. I wouldn't be asking that question before you know the trade plan and what your routine is going to be. Rail union urges rail industry to respond to the coronavirus concerns.
mRNA Moderna shares off the lows now 26.62. Michael Romeo November Alpha. Moderna spokesperson responding to Friday rumor that the U.S. government site showed the company trial for coronavirus vaccine to begin March 19th. Tells Benzinger the National Institutes for Health has not confirmed a start date for the phase 1 study. That's Michael Romeo November Alpha now at 26.63, down about 10% mRNA.
Paul, are you on TSE or BCA?
Shares of AutoZone spiking here. AZO, AutoZone 1074.03. Alpha Zulu Oscar.
Market's still continuing to climb, guys. Not adding to any puts yet. And I'm not going long because I am not bullish on this market. Thank you. Senior Control said, spend that $2,000 and get an education here with Dave. Worth the tuition fee. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Guys, if you want to join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com and come join us. Sign up for the professional trader package. If you sign up for the yearly package, there's 30% off that
GSK,
still.
GlaxoSmithKline.
Paul, you need to get transferred over to BCA.
Presents positive
Breaking
48
chart
data
alerts
from
if you're
phase
still
3
on
study
TSE.
showing every 2-month regimen of investigational long-acting injectable. Cabacavir and Piperine has similar efficacy to once monthly dosing. Says treatment was generally well tolerated across both study arms. That's
Now see RCL starting to climb there. You got the MACD that's climbed, crossed right around 10.10. It's been in the NTZ up to that 20 now. She starts to climb. Next breakdown, I'll add to my RCL.
Robinhood says companies experiencing issues with equities, options, and crypto trading.
I heard Robinhood is down again for today. Did you hear that? Is your Robinhood down?
It was having issues, but it was up.
It's up and running now?
It was, like I said,
Someone
it's
made a
having
post that they said Robinhood's going to be down for the day.
issues. I mean, they probably talking about the halt.
There goes RCL. Nice climb on RCL there. Still down 20% though. Remember that. John C.
White House
says
officials
HYG.
to meet with Trump on economic response plan this afternoon. That, according to a senior official, team preparing proposals to expand paid sick leave, defer tax payments amid coronavirus outbreak. According to a senior official, that from Bloomberg.
It's so funny when they say that from Bloomberg. Now see, Shovin's saying can't sell or buy on Robinhood right now. And a lot of people are saying that. So, I mean, like I said, I wouldn't have any money with Robinhood. I think I got like $400 or $500 in them, which, you know, I forget it's even in there. But I wouldn't trade on there. I have that $400 or $500 just in case I'm out on my phone and something happens. I want to make a quick trade on the app, you know. But I don't trade using Robinhood. There we go. RCL is breaking down again. See that continue lower. Jorge says if space goes any lower, they're going to have to change from aerospace to mining. That's a funny one. Bob Logan says Robinhood will be going bankrupt soon. Absolutely. I don't think they could survive unless they make some major changes. To be honest with you, E-Trade's really slow as well. Not happy with E-Trade at all. I want to add to my gold trade, guys. I'm watching gold continue to climb. In the account, at least. 260 by 340 bid in the ask. Gilead's still on the climb.
Shares of Boeing, BA Boeing, now at $240.40.
I wonder what Delta's doing.
$24.37 earlier. That was a more than 2.5-year low on Boeing, BA.
Wow, look at that breakdown on Boeing. Boeing might get down to 150. That would be huge if Boeing dropped down. Man, wow. I remember though, 2 months ago, I started talking about the coronavirus, saying, guys, this is going to hurt our economy, it's going to impact us, and everyone's saying, oh, it's not going to do anything, blah, blah, blah. You know, that's why I don't listen to other people. I listen to myself, and I follow my own instincts. And it suits me well. It does me very well in life. So I don't have to listen to other people that don't know as much. That Boeing drop is huge there. We could go down our watch list if we want here. We should do that in the afternoon session. Go through our watch list, find some setups. Let's see what's Bank of America doing now. Down 11%. Gotta pop off the lows there.
Buying and selling works on Robinhood.
I wish it didn't, because I just tested it out and I just made a purchase I didn't want to make. But
What did you get?
I bought one share of Kimco for $16.45.
Yeah. Oh, you bought a share.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe the options aren't working.
Maybe.
Why don't you try buying an option on it?
But wouldn't that be at the exchange between all the brokerages?
Let me put this one on for them so they could see this. Market's still slowly climbing. I mean, but then again, Dow's still down 1,500 points, down 5.5%. Amazon, auto shows are being canceled, but EV Game of Thrones is on. Well, thanks for that news. White House economic team preparing proposals to expand paid sick leave, defer tax payments.
Trump's actually on his way here to Seminole County.
Really? Seminole County? You want to go see him?
I don't think we can get in.
Oh, I could get in.
Private fundraiser.
I know people. Dow needs to climb above 245.72. If it doesn't climb above 245.72, it's just going to start breaking down again. So let's see. Right now it's in the consolidation box. Call sweeps coming in Gilead. April 17th, 85 call sweeps. RCL doesn't want to break above that 50-day SMA on the today 1 minute chart. You hear the breaking news: Vietnam and some other countries are suspending visas from European countries. Air travel is gonna, what's the biggest international airline in the USA? Which would that be? Would it be Delta, you think, or American? I would say Delta, right? Let me look at the Delta chart here. DAL.
LPTH, LifePath seeing some volume coming in. Heavier volume now, up about 21%. Getting a pump here.
RCL is just finally breaking above that 50.
Google is giving it to American Airlines. Google says American, in second place is Delta.
Really? American Airlines. Did you see American Airlines? It's at $15. That was just $30 a week ago, 2 weeks ago. Wow. That's going to be a hell of a stock to trade here on that rebound. It's like, how much lower can it go? Look at that drop. Now Marla says, Jay, you're lying. Google says Delta's the largest international and says American's number 2.
She didn't say I was lying.
I added that word in there. Mackenzie Ford said paid sick leave for federal workers. That's not most of us. I don't think that's just for federal workers, though, Mackenzie.
How can they force it on private? How can they force it on private? They can't. Unless they give tax breaks or incentives.
Well, that's what they were saying they were going to do. Gives tax incentives. Look at that drop on American Airlines. And you don't think RCL is going to do the same thing as AAL? Yeah?
I was always saying the cruise ships are horrible.
I know. I think I should add. So right now that RCL March 20th 52 strike put I just got this morning is down about 24%. I'm down about $732 on that right now. I was thinking about adding to it soon. As soon as we start dropping again below that 20, I think I'm going to add to it. I mean, look at it. It's down 20% today. I think that's going to be that next $20 stock. I mean, we're going to be kicking ourselves in the butt. And it's still at $52. To me, that's way too high for any of these cruise. I mean, there's a lot of fear in cruise lines now. You know, like even my buddy Jeff Walker, who I saw up in Pennsylvania while I was up there, he goes, Dave, I'm not afraid to travel on an airline. I'm not afraid to travel to any country. He goes, but I will tell you, I will not get on a cruise line. And, you know, with him and the radio station, they always do cruises. So I think that's going to be hit hard, and I think RCL is going to be that next one that drops down to the 30s or 20s, just like American Airlines. It was a $35 stock back in August. It's now $15. Do you have any ideas?
I'm still thinking about the airline thing and why the Google searches are different.
Oh, yours still says that?
It does, but when I did a search for which U.S. airline has the most international flights, number one is United Airlines with 369 destinations. American is 350. Delta is 325. But then when you talk about by passengers carried, you're saying American Airlines is the most, Delta second.
Huh. Nah, whose computer's right, Marla's or Jay's?
It's just a search term of what Google's coming up with.
I guess it depends on what exactly you're searching for as well. I'm waiting to add to this RCL. I think I'm going to make a decent sized trade on RCL going out a little further. Maybe I'll put about 25,000 in it. Not yet though, I'm waiting. How are you guys doing this morning? Guys, give the video a thumbs up, give it a like, and subscribe to us. And guys, if you want to get signed up, go to breakingchartalerts.com because we're going to be live in the afternoon session here as well, 2 to 4. RCL looks like it's going to head much lower if we zoom out here. Let's see. I think we're going to see this at $20, to be honest. Definitely below 40 in my opinion. I think 20 looks like a good number for RCL.
Secretary Azar says Trump economic team will work on economic aspect of the virus. President Trump tweeting now, good for the consumer, gasoline prices are coming down. Says Saudi Arabia and Russia are arguing over the price and flow of oil. That and the fake news is the reason for the market drop. Tweets from Donald Trump now.
Donald Trump's tweeting. Fake media is causing the markets to drop here. I don't think that's why. Breaking news, guys. Princeton tells university students do not return from spring break.
Robinhood says trading has been partially restored, company working to get trading platform fully back up.
So I guess there was an issue, huh?
Citron Research says Inovio, INO, SEC should immediately halt this stock and investigate the ludicrous and dangerous claim that they designed a vaccine in 3 hours. This has been a serial stock promotion for years. This will trade back to $2. Investors have been warned. That tweet now from Citron Research, INO, Inovio. Citron Research tweeting now on that. Shares of Inovio now at $15.86, up $1.90. Moving a bit lower now on that tweet from Citron Research saying that the stock will trade back to $2.
I really can't wait to add to RCL puts here, guys. I don't know about you guys, but I am really looking forward to this sell-off. Guys, we got 120 viewers. Please give this a thumbs up, share it on social media, and subscribe to our channel. And guys, if you want to get signed up, go here, breakingchartalerts.com. Here's where you're going to have our live trading video all day. From 9:30 to 11 on YouTube right now, and then on this section here, this is for the professional traders, and you guys could click on here and you'll see. Let me log in here. I forgot my password there for a second on the website. So guys, this is where we're going to be live in the afternoon here. If you click on this, this is for the professional trader membership. You'll get the live class in the afternoon from 2 to 4 p.m. And then in the morning we will eventually be on here during the morning as well. And then our classes are going to be held here, and our classes are going to be starting this week. And then everything's going to be archived as well. And then the trade challenge, you guys, we're going to be starting that April 1st. Our last trade challenge, we took 2,600 into almost 60,000 in 2 months. And this is beautiful how this is set up. So these are the open positions, anything that's closed. So anything that's open is going to be in the blue. Anything that's closed is going to be in the green. So the blue section here, those are open trades and whatnot. So this is set up really nice. Started with 25,000 on here. Already got it up to 53,000 since January. And then trade ideas will be posted here. And these are live, updated immediately. Once I say it, within a minute of me speaking about it on the live video, I have someone here updating this. So this is all going to be there. And then, of course, the live trade room and the trade alerts right here. If you guys take a look here, let's take a look at the trade alerts quick. These are how the trade alerts are going to look, and you guys are going to love that. You click on it. You guys could comment on it and see the target, the stops, and the live trade room, of course. So if you guys aren't signed up yet, go to breakingchartalerts.com, get signed up. If you want to take advantage of the 30% off, you could go to the annual subscription of the professional traders and use promo code LOYAL, LOYAL, capital letters. RCL starting to break down here below the 10, 20, 50 SMA. I want to see a candle with a body below 52, and I'm probably going to be adding then to it. Trump says Russia, Saudi Arabia are fake news, and that's the reason for the market drop. I don't understand why Russia, Saudi Arabia, and fake news are causing the market to drop. Definitely think it's because of this coronavirus.
I think they just badly paraphrased. They were just reading his
They badly paraphrased it, yeah. Let's see, Diamond ETF here, DIA. All right, there's that crossover on the Diamond ETF. Now, what you're looking for here is a candle below, let's say 243.50. Whole body of that candle below 243.50 would signify another drop. There's the SMA cluster. Here's the NTZ. It's looking for a drop below, let's say 243.40 to get out of that NTZ and start BDM again. There goes RCL dropping again. You want to shut off that fan for me there? Thank you. And it looks like we're going to be heading lower here, guys. There we go. Just broke below consolidation. Let's wait for that confirmation candle now, which would be the next red candle below this candle's body.
Donald Trump tweeting now. So last year, 37,000 Americans died from the common flu. It averages between 27,000 and 70,000 per year. Nothing is shut down. Life and the economy go on. At this moment, there are 546 confirmed cases of coronavirus and 22 deaths. Think about that tweet from Donald Trump.
Yeah, but also he's talking about that per year. This is just starting here, and the mortality rate's much higher. I mean, he obviously doesn't know viruses. He hasn't studied, microbiology or anything, but it's the bad virus. He's trying to say that to calm the markets here, of course. LH LabCorp. They're live on CNBC to discuss coronavirus testing. Let's see what LH is doing while they're talking about it on CNBC. Down 4.5%. What do you think of that company, though? That might get a big pop there after they're talking about the coronavirus testing. Keep an eye on LH. That'd be an interesting one to keep an eye on.
Yeah, that's why I bought that and the wipes.
There goes Diamond. Drop it again. Down 1,600 points. Guys, it looks like here comes the next sell-off. Let's see RCL. Should add to it. Oh, there she goes. Look at that drop. Wow.
GS, Goldman Sachs, turns to veteran Michael Daffy to navigate post-Brexit markets. That's GS Goldman Sachs. S&P futures pulling back again, 2787.
I already said that, Charlie.
177 now.
We're coming for the next sell-off here. And it's beautiful because with our trade plan 5 minutes ago, I told you guys that. I said, here we go. Here comes the next sell-off. And boom, clockwork. I'm going to call reception, see if my mask came in yet. Yeah, did I get any packages last week while I was out of the office?
No.
No?
You do have a Google card from the weekend mail.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Bye-bye. Ah, my mask didn't come.
Saudi Arabia suspends travel to Oman, France, Germany, Turkey, and Spain for citizens and residents due to coronavirus.
You remember Randy Cheek in the trade room like a year or two ago? This guy reminds me of him. Randy, we're live, or Yak at Me, we're live right now on YouTube. The live trading session is at 2 p.m. there. I think I'm going to have to get a business cell phone too. There goes Diamond continuing to drop down 1,650 points. Nasdaq's down 500 points. Wow. There it goes down. That's why I told you guys I didn't want to get any calls before. I knew this was coming again. Some people, you know. Senior Control says, why not add to RCL? Are we waiting for further confirmation? I just want to see us break below 50 there, Senior Control. If we could break below 50, I'm going to be adding. I'm watching Diamond here getting up to that 10, failing. I'm definitely going to be adding to RCL. There's no question about that. Let's see. Skyjack says, what contract did you get on RCL? I got the RCL March 20th, 2020, 52 strike put. And then I also have the 45-40 vertical put spread for April 17th Expo. And I am going to be adding to those.
Exploring a sale according to Reuters. That's SYNH, Standing Yankee November Hotel. Cineas Health reporting is exploring a sale, that according to Reuters, SYNH.
What I want to do, I think what I'm going to do now that we're at 11, we're going to go live in the trade room. Well, on the, let me see here, on the live trading video on Breaking Chart Alerts, I'm going to put this up so you guys can see the news the entire day here, because I think that's really important information that I'd like you guys to have. So I'm not going to be live myself, but I want to give that to you guys today since it's such a big sell-off today. I'm going to do that little extra for you guys today. What do you guys think of that? Or better yet, that way I could give it to everyone in the trade room. I could do the Cisco WebEx meeting, share the link in there, and then everyone could see that, and I could still, you know, do my thing. Because right now, if I go live on that, only the professional trader members are going to be able to see it. I want everyone to be able to see it. So I think I'm going to do the WebEx and share you guys the link in the live trade room. That way you guys could see this live news feed all day. What do you guys think of that? Let me know your input. Is that a nice gesture? Should I do that?
Absolutely.
Yeah, I think so. It's an important day today. Big sell-off. I want you guys to be prepared. John C. said that would be awesome. Alrighty, that sounds good to me. Jerry, too, said she would like to see the news.
Shares of Inovio Pharmaceuticals continue to drop here, $13.17.
Alrighty, when you guys give me that feedback, I am glad to oblige. There goes Diamond breaking again. RCL's almost below that 50. There she goes. She looks like she's heading lower now. Big drop. I still can't believe we're not green on the RCL puts yet. I think I can add to those. Yeah. March 20th. Where are the June? I didn't get the June ones, did I?
INO, Inovio shares hold.
There she goes. She's breaking below 50 now. RCL, Royal Caribbean Cruises. What's nice about Cisco WebEx, I could actually go on the big screen here, the touch screen, and I could do some nice classes. Alrighty, guys, so we are going to end the YouTube live. If you guys are not members yet, you guys could go to breakingchartalerts.com. I'm going to be live and sharing this screen on there, and we could even do some classes as we see fit going along there, because I can draw on my TV, and it'll come up on the screen for you guys. So I'm going to get rid of the YouTube live now. If you guys want to come join us right here. breakingchartalerts.com and sign up and come join us now. And if you come join us in the live trade room, there'll be a link there for you guys to join us on the live Cisco WebEx meetings. Alrighty, guys, take care, and I will see the rest of you back in the trade room and live again on WebEx meetings. Guys, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a member yet, you can go to breakingchartalerts.com, sign up, and start trading with us there. Alrighty, guys, take care, God bless, and I will see the rest of you guys tomorrow. Alrighty, bye-bye. RCL is having a big drop there, guys. Wow, we're now green on our put spread. Our 45-40 put spread's doing great. Wow, look at that drop on RCL there, Jay. Nice drop. That's a $1 drop there.
Reporting White House advisors to present Trump later on Monday with list of policy options to help economy in the wake of the coronavirus.
Andreas, I got to do it for my members. So if you guys want, you guys could sign up on the website, www.breakingchartalerts.com. RCL is continuing to drop there, doing exactly as we said, and going to be looking for some nice gains there. So get signed up, guys, and come see us.